Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to allow people to use your post in the Instagram guides. We'll begin by opening up the Instagram app like I have here. Once you have it opened, go to your profile page. When you arrive on your profile page, look on the upper right hand corner. Do you see these three bars right there? Tap on those. Then this menu will appear. On the very top, tap on where it says Settings. Then scroll down and click on where it says Privacy. And when you're here, tap on where it says Guides. There you go. From here, you are able to turn this feature on. So right now it's great. That means it's off. If you tap on it once, it will turn blue. This means it's on. That's how you can allow people to use your post on the Instagram guides. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. If you thought the video was helpful, make sure you subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos like this. Thank you so much for watching.